Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and this is the brand new Nomad titanium watch band. Many of you have noticed this in my video and asked me what watch band is that, and I responded to quite a few of you and told you that it would be in an upcoming video. So this is Nomad's latest band. It's titanium. It comes up in black or silver. It's available in both of those colors, and it looks great with the stainless steel watch. So this is something people ask me about regularly that see it even and want to know what it is. It's about half the price or less than Apple's Link bracelet. It comes in at $179.95, but it is titanium, and then all of the pins are titanium, and the lugs are 316 stainless steel. So it's pretty rigid. It fits on any Apple Watch, and let's remove it here. It unclips just like any other Apple Watch band, but you have to remove it together because it's so rigid. So you can't just slide it off one side. You have to slide both, and then it pops off like that. So it's pretty nice. You can push out these pins. They do include a tool to do that, so you can size it properly. I had to remove one for it to fit my wrist properly, so it's plenty large. So you do get a little tool so that you can pop all of the pins out, so you can resize this and fit it to your wrist properly. Now, aside from that, you also get a little case for it. So if you want to swap bands for a while, you can do that. Just put that back in this case. You're good to go. And that's it. So it's a really, really nice watch band, and it's held together with this little pin here. So you just clip this down over the top. It clips in place. And then you push these two little fasteners or release buttons, and it unclips. So it stays nice and tight. I haven't had it come unclipped by itself. It just clips in place like that, and it's very comfortable. You can see here it says titanium. So it's a little bit lighter than the stainless steel Link bracelet. I did compare it. So titanium is a lighter metal, but it's also stronger. So it is a little bit lighter, and it's just really well built and definitely worth checking out, especially if you like the higher end bracelets or watch bands that are offered. Apple's are very expensive. I think this is reasonable compared to theirs. So let me know what you think about it, though, in the comments below. They were nice enough to send this along, but they did not sponsor the video or anything. They just sent this to me so I could share it with you. And I actually had a chance to check it out at CES early and before it was out, and I definitely had to get my hands on one of these because this is by far my favorite watch band. If you do have hair on your arms like this, though, it will pinch from time to time. Not as bad as a Milanese loop, though, if you've ever used one of those. So it's pretty comfortable overall. And again, you can adjust it for your wrist. So I think you'd be pretty happy if you picked one up. And of course, it comes in multiple colors, like I said. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.